Do my makeup with me using Thin Lizzy Beauty. First I go in with my Airbrush Silk Foundation. I like to pop this on the back of my hand and then use my brush to add dots all over my face. Blend this out in circular motions to ensure an even and seamless blend. Don't forget to blend this from your face down your neck to ensure that there's no harsh line along your jaw. After my foundation, I like to use my Age Reverse Concealer. I pop this under my eyes, on my nose, on my forehead, and on my chin. The little tip I like to do is pop it underneath my cheekbones just to define them just that little bit more. Then I just blend it all out and make it seamless while going in with my setting powder. I make sure to put this everywhere that I've put product so far to ensure that my face stays set and lasts all day long. The next step that I do is using the Triple Effect Warm Collection eyeshadow palette. I like to use the color Serene, which is the bottom middle, and I pop that all over my eye. Make sure to blend it up into the crease and blend for quite a while just to make sure it's nice and seamless before going in with this color here in my outer corner to deepen and define the lids a little bit more. I then like to add a little shimmer from my inner corner to the middle of my eye to add that last pop before going in underneath my eyes with what's left over on the brush. My last two steps are the blush trio, which you can see right here. I love to put this on the highs of my cheekbones, and I bring this up to the outer corner under my eye just to make sure it blends all seamlessly with my eyeshadow. Lastly, I use this highlighter in my highlight trio, and I pop that on the very highs of my cheeks and in my inner corner. And look at that glow. This is the final look. I love it so much. Let me know what you think.